Welcome to JH. Here is how to set up a payment method on Gumroad. This tutorial will walk you through the configuration process to ensure your account is ready to handle transactions efficiently. To begin, navigate to gumroad.com using your favorite web browser. Once the homepage loads, you can start the sign-in process. Look for the login button in the upper right corner of the screen. After clicking it, you will see several ways to access your profile. For this demonstration, we will use the Google sign-in feature. Simply click the Google icon and choose the account linked to your Gumroad profile. If you aren't signed into Google yet, provide your login details as prompted to enter your dashboard. Once you are logged in, you need to find the Settings section. This is usually located within your main dashboard or the top navigation menu. Click on Settings to open a new page containing various account options. From there, locate and select the Payments tab, which is typically found at the top of the page. This section displays the different ways you can receive your earnings. You have the option to connect either a bank account or a PayPal account. This choice determines how your sales revenue is delivered to you. In this guide, we are focusing on the PayPal setup because it is a very popular and simple method. Click on the PayPal option, and the site will help you link your account. You may need to log into PayPal and authorize Gumroad to connect. This ensures your sales are sent directly to your PayPal balance. That is all there is to it. You have successfully configured your Gumroad payment settings. This setup enables smooth transactions and prepares you to receive customer payments immediately. Remember that keeping this information current is vital for your online business. Thank you for following along, and if you need more assistance, feel free to visit the Gumroad support resources.